Good girl. So here we are today. We got quite a bit more sleds here today instead of just the wife and I. But unfortunately, I couldn't get my wife up. So this seat's gonna be going empty today. I might even just take it off, to be honest. It is a quick release. We got our buddy Chris here. We got Chris's sled. We got Kayla, Taylor, I believe her name is, Jesse. He broke his sled, so he's got his backup sled. We got Roy over there. We got Owen. Another guy's supposed to be coming, Josh. So we got quite a bit of sleds today, and we're gonna be doing a big loop the other way instead of the Owen Sound loop today. So let's get ready to go. So we haven't even left yet, and it looks like we got our first casualty. Looks like we got our first casualty here, boys and girls. Oh. Let's hear this thing backfire. So we're already down one sled. Gotta love the joys of going for a sled ride. Everybody else, it seems to be doing half decent so far, but we haven't even left yet. So we made it to the gas station. Somebody didn't show up for 8 o'clock, didn't show up for 9 o'clock, didn't show up for 9:30, and now it's what, 10:30?
Hey, I met you here.
10:30 and the sled's already broke down. Look at all the parts on the ground.
Buy a Skidoo, they said.
They said buy a 4-stroke Skidoo.
Oh, they left that part out.
Yeah. You must have just missed the 2 of them and just got 2-stroke instead of 4.
Yeah.
2 plus 2 equals 2.
Someone told me half the story.
Half the story. Lots of Skidoos out today, and snowmobiles out today. It's gonna be a good day if we can all get together and actually go for a damn ride. So we're seeing a lot of other snowmobiles on the trails. We're starting to get a whole bunch of different snowmobiles with us too. So something that I really like. Take a look at these skis. They got wheels on them. Fancy. But we're all just getting some fuel and then we're heading out. That thing will stand up in no time, right on the track. So we're already down 2, and we might be down 3 here if Josh's isn't running right here shortly. You know, if you get a 4-stroke, they have electric start. Well, we made it to Mount Forest, but every time we come to a road, that's how many trucks you see. So there's quite a bit of cars around. So we're just gonna keep heading these trails up to Durham now. We've all just got a whole bunch of gas. We've got 60 miles on the clock today. Well, we just had to stop because we found a sled on its side with a woman who thinks her leg's broken. So yeah, we're gonna be here for a little bit, but I'll keep you guys informed.
I don't know, help your wife up.
Somebody help her with my leg there. You good? Yeah. How's the pain? Like from a 1 to 10?
9.
Really?
Well, we better get her in.
All right.
Okay.
Just make sure you pay attention to your breathing. Don't get into it.
That is a big sled.
You're holding together real well. You are. You really are.
we've made it to our second gas station. I don't need to get gas this time, which is nice. This guy here's having a hard time. He's almost, actually he has hit his buddy already. But we got two choices for lunch. We got Subway and New Orleans pizza. I think I'm gonna go for pizza. Everything's going real good. I did smoke a tree stump, and my wrist is pretty sore, but oh well, who cares? Out here having fun. Trails are getting better because we're heading north now. But yeah, I tried to get some footage while driving. I don't think it's going to be very good, but oh well. Let's continue our driving after some lunch.
$10,000 worth of sleds on behind a fucking $200 Camry.
So we have two sleds on the trailer because this guy's sled didn't start this morning, so he put it on his truck, met us halfway through the trail, and got a different sled. And now I got to tow him home. We got the Camry with two sleds, so we might have to put a transmission in this thing before work tomorrow at 5 a.m.
This morning, first sled didn't work. Goes out. No.
No.
Goes out, buys
What?
a whole other sled. Yeah.
So now let's make that. How far is it from here to your house, Jesse? 45 kilometers?
Yeah.
45 kilometers. We got $10,000 worth of sleds behind a $400 Toyota. So we'll see how well this goes.
On a fucking free trailer.
No, I paid $300 for the trailer. Does the tires have air in them?
That looks like it.
This is terrifying. So the Camry didn't make it up the hill with the two snowmobile trailers, so now we're towing it up with the tractor. We got Jesse back there on the trailer. So almost out now. Go a little bit more. Dave, go more. Yeah. Okay.